Welcome, Keystone guitar students. Now, today's song is This Land Is Your Land. And to learn and play this song along with everybody, we're going to play in the key of D. So we all remember our D chord. That's the first finger on the third string, second fret. Second finger on the first string, second fret. And our third finger on the second string, third fret. And we again need to lift our fingers so that they're not touching or leaning on the other strings. And so we have our D chord. The root tone or the bass note is the open fourth string D. Okay. And we can find an alternative bass note, which is the fifth, found on the open fifth string A. So we're going to practice going from the fourth string to the fifth string, back and forth like that. So it's a really good right hand exercise to find that. And the next chord in the song is the G chord that we all know. And the G chord again is our first finger on the fifth string, the second fret. Second finger on the sixth string, third fret. And our third and fourth fingers on the third fret of the second and first strings, like that. And our bass note is the sixth string. The alternative bass note is the open fourth string, which is the D, and again a fifth away. So we practice going from the 6 to the 4 to the 6 to the 4 to the 6. So those are our bass notes, like that. And the last chord is the A, or we'll do the A7. It's a little easier chord. So to play the A7, what we're going to want to do is put our first finger on the fourth string, second fret, and our second finger on the second string, second fret, and the third and first strings are open. The open fifth string is our bass note. And that chord, that fingering, I should say, transitions very easily back to the D chord, because all we do is jump across from strings 2 and 4 to 1 and 3. We add our third finger, and we have our D. So the A7 transitions very easily back to the D chord. And so when we play our A7 chord, our bass note again is the fifth string. Now, we have two choices for the alternate note, because we have the open sixth string, which is E, but we also have the E on the fourth string. Now, personally, I just like the sound of the higher E on the fourth string, as opposed to the, it's just kind of a little low, kind of out. Anyway, take your own choice. But we're going to learn and we're going to play a verse, we'll start with a chorus and a verse and a chorus, and then you can practice. You can look up the song in your songbook, or if you don't have it, again, email me. I'll send you the words of the music and all these fingerings and chords. So the song is going to go like this. We're going to do our D. And to learn it at first, we're just going to do a bass strum pattern like this. Then it goes to our G with a 6-4 pattern. Back to our D. A7, see our fingers just jump right across. Or I should say jump up. And back to our D. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I was walking a ribbon of highway, I saw above me an endless skyway. I saw below me a golden valley. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to lessons, we had a lot of right hand exercises where we play like first string, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, sixth string, fifth string, fourth string. And that is one of the exercises that helps train the right hand to find those strings and to learn where it is. Now, to apply that, again, you just practice playing each chord with its alternate bass note, which is most of the time the fifth of the chord. We'd have fun with this. It's in the key of D. And so we want to learn how to play outside of the key of G, which is where we all started with. But we've got a lot of new chords in the D, G, and the A7 to practice with. And so enjoy this song. Have a wonderful summer, all my guitar students. And just let me know, again, if you want any other special songs just sent to you this summer. Just email me and I can work out those things for you, because I'll be here. And until I get to actually see you and put my arm around your shoulder again, or give you a hug, or shake your hand, whatever, till then, have a great summer, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.